So I decided to go with the SVE GT350R replica wheels. They gloss graphite color. I'm excited about these wheels, man. They look good. Shout out to LMR. They got me these wheels in 2 days. So I got them installed today. Here they are. So yeah, baby. The wheels are installed. YouTube. There she goes. 19 by 10s in the front. And 19 by 11s in the rear. Don't worry about the wheel gap. That's gonna be taken care of. Man, that's like almost 5 fingers, 4.5. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking care of that. So she look. Yeah, they look awesome, man. I love them. These are the GT350R replicas in satin graphite color. I didn't want to do the black since I already have black wheels. I love how it came out. It looks really, really good. And yeah, that wheel gap was horrible, but I got, like I said, I have the springs that's gonna take care of that. I guess that nice little 1-inch drop. So yeah, YouTube, this is another angle of the car with the wheels. Shot them up real quick. And nice and flush. They came out nice and flush. Front. Nice and flush. Yeah, so I cleaned up real quick. Looks really good. I love how these rims came out. Man, they look good. What do you guys think? They look good? Or what? I think I made a good choice. Can't wait to get it lowered. See this angle right here. Yeah, I love it. Looks badass, man. Alright, YouTube, till next time. Again, I got a couple of other mods coming out. Next, I believe I'm gonna do the lowering springs. It definitely needs to get lowered. But yeah, stay tuned. Comment down below. Tell me what y'all think. It looks good. And I highly recommend this. Shout out to LMR again. Man, the choice is great, man. Like I said, look at the graphite. When the stripe reflects, it looks grayish. So it reflects and it makes the tires look like they belong there. You know, like the wheels belong with that stripe. Anyway, let me stop rambling. Till next time, guys. Thank you. Have a good day.